Now, exercise 21.05, you've already done this, but when you did it last time, you were just determining the turning points of the curves. I actually mentioned to you, just ignore the bit where you had to state whether it was a maximum or minimum. This time I'd like you to do the maximum minimum as well. So go back and redo the whole lot. Find the coordinates of the turning points just for practice. Remember, I don't want you to keep doing it until you get it right. I want you to keep doing it until you can't get it wrong. I want you to be going, oh, I know how to do this. This is really boring. How do we have to? That's good. That's what I need you to be able to do. That it's so mundane, so routine that when you encounter the stuff in the exam, you go, oh, ho-hum, this is easy, and you just blast your way through it. That's where you need to be at with this because this needs to be almost an unthinking process. Just like factorizing is an unthinking process. You can do it just in your sleep. I want you to be able to differentiate in your sleep. Very shortly, we're going to start integration. I want you to be able to do that in your sleep too. So in each case, find the turning points, state whether they're a maximum or a minimum using calculus, and just for good measure, draw each. Yeah? Draw each. If you're not quite sure how to do it, remember you can use Desmos to give yourself a clue, but you should be able to do these. And part of that might be, for example, completing the square. That might help you a little bit. Of course, you can use the solving function on your calculator. You can use the quadratic formula, and minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. You know the equation well, but I want you to know it so impossibly well that you cannot get it wrong because you know it backwards. So this is where I need you to get to with this exercise. So please do the whole exercise. Please recalculate the turning points and then state whether each is a maximum or minimum using calculus. Yeah. So please make sure you can do this extremely easily. So I'll let you get on with it, and I'll also repost this sheet there for you to look at it if you haven't already had a play with it. All right, folks, go to it, and I'll post the next stuff in the next day or so.